Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to POCO X7 Pro. So in order to connect wireless headphones or earbuds, what we need to do is first of all go to the settings and then let's open Bluetooth settings. Of course we want to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, so you want to make sure that this switcher is on. Now, depending on your Bluetooth headphones, you want to turn them on and go into the pairing mode. There we go. Once you have your headphones in pairing mode, now you can start detecting the device. So of course over here we have the list of available devices, but we can press refresh in order to check for new devices. And there we go. I have my earbuds over here, so I can select them over here and then choose to pair. And there we go. This is how we can connect our Bluetooth device, Bluetooth headphones, to our POCO X7 Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!